Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how I illustrated these two cute simple Christmas ornaments, and to make it I did use this Canson Graduate watercolor paper. This is cold pressed 250 grams cellulose watercolor paper. For the watercolors, I use these ZenArt watercolors, and for the colors, warm sepia, raw sienna, chromium oxide, and some Prussian blue. And from Rubens Floral set, I used Chineese red. For the brushes today, I used this Raphael number 8 round brush, Panart number 2 detail brush, and this just no name detail brush to add in some highlights, which I did add with this Art Creation all-purpose white paint. But you can use white gouache, white acrylic, or maybe white gel pen, whatever you have accessible that it's opaque and will be visible on top of the watercolors. And also I use this Micron 03 ink pen to do the inking. And I believe that's all the supplies that I did use, and without further ado, let's get to our painting. I will do my inking first. So let's just go on top of the lines on my sketch. And this sketch, as all of the other sketches in this Christmas or winter illustration series, are available or is available on my Patreon for free download. So if you join my Patreon for free, you will gain access to all of those sketches and many more sketches, in fact. So like that, and then these few like that, and then I have just this second one like that, and then some details on those ornaments. And a couple of here like that, and then just a few more like that. But I will embellish it just a little bit, add some more details. Just to make it a little bit more stylized. And just how much details you wanna add is completely up to you. If you don't want the details with the ink, well, it's your illustration. You can do whatever you like. And a little bit more on these dots. Like that. And then I will just do the second one. This string. Like that, and then like that, and just connect all of those and add a bit more. So maybe shading, a little bit of the embellishments. And maybe just making some lines a little bit less clean, more sketchy. Like that, and then maybe a bit more shading again. Like that. And here at the bottom, just a few more details. Like that, and maybe just sporadically here and there on this one, and I can put like that, maybe some ground just underneath. There you go. I will finish it for now, and then just get a little bit of the green Chromium oxide, and I'm gonna paint in that first. Ball, get more green, and then just paint the bottom part like that with the green. I will paint in with raw sienna this part, and then for the second one I'm gonna use Chinese red from the Rubens set, and just gonna paint in red like that, and I'm gonna get this bit smaller brush, get more Chinese red, and then just add it onto this. Rinse my brush, and then just to move that paint around. Just love how that red looks next to the green, and with the yellow, or actually I'm gonna get just a tiny bit of that yellow mixed in, or actually I will get some sepia, warm sepia, and mix it with this Prussian blue to get a bit of the grayish tone. And I'm gonna paint in this in the grayish, but quite a light whoosh like that. And with that grayish, I'm also gonna paint in the bows like that. Bit more of the warm sepia with red, Chinese red, and I'm gonna add more, at the bottom. Like that. And then this is still wet, but maybe I can, no, I'm not. I'm gonna leave it for now. Let's just get some more of the green to paint that like that. And then with some raw sienna, I'm gonna paint these in between. Like that. A bit of the yellow to that grayish, just to slightly warm it. Like that. I'm gonna get back to this, switch to this brush again, do some splatters with green, some splatters with red, and then get a bit more of that grayish and just smoothen everything and move that paint at the bottom, bit of the raw sienna, and I'm gonna smear those splatters like that. Let's dry that. And this is now more or less dry. What I do want to do is, for this one, add a little bit of the yellow tint to that, to the reds and greens, just to again warm it a little bit like that. And then I do want to get more of the raw sienna and do some more splatters with the raw sienna and more splatters with Chineese red, like that. Let's just dry that fully. And this one is now dry, and I will get just a little bit of the, again, that white all-purpose paint, and just add a couple of those little dots on those little Christmas balls, and here just a few highlights. Like that. Rinse my brush, and what I will do is, with a little bit more of the chromium oxide, quite saturated, I will paint in a few of these, so to have some green and white dots on that little bulb, and like that. So now we are done with this, again, quite simple, beautiful illustration of some Christmas ornaments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, share it, maybe, possibly, hype it. You know, that's, if you don't know what that means, I don't even know exactly what that means. I just know that this video will be accessible to more people, and people will just, you know, see that it's worth watching. Quite simple enough to do for some watercolor Christmas fun. And Well, if you're here for the first time, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please do it. I have many tutorials for beginners and advanced painters, and I'm sure you will find something for yourself. Remember, sketch is available on my Patreon, link is in the description box. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much again, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!